Hello, this is Talon with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane, and I'm going to show you how to make an easy clock-based template, in case you want to make your own clock type deal. But what I use these for is I make templates for math students, for geometry and trigonometry. I put them on cards like this, or I put them on like different container lids, something plastic. If it's clear plastic, that's even better. But anything like this works. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is just have something to draw on. And I tape my card down. This is just 5x8 card. You're going to want to have a compass, some type of pencil, and something to make straight lines with. A ruler is good. This card is good. Anything is good as long as it's straight and you make good lines with it. Okay, if I'm going to put it on a card, then what I want to do is I'm going to just sketch out the card. This is just your average size gift card. And not all gift cards are equal with quality. The ones that are strong plastic are the best ones. Some of them are kind of cardboard, like glued paper. Those are terrible. I've already got an almost center mark on here, so I'll put that, but if you don't know how to get a center, just go across on your diagonals and make a little line in the middle. Do it over here. And I'm going to ignore my puppy. He wants to box. We just got done with the boxing match. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with some circles. Everything I do is going to be a complete circle. Now, other math teachers, I am a retired math teacher, other math teachers say all you need are the arcs. Right? But if I do just the arcs, then it makes more work for me later on. So I'm just going to make whole circles. Now, longest chord in the circle is the diameter. I'm going to do, this is going to look upside down to you, but this is 3 and this is 9. And I just kind of darken that in just so easier to see. Now, something other math teachers might tell you to do is just a little arc going around as you go, because we're going to make a regular hexagon. But what I'm going to do is the whole circle, because the whole circle right here is going to save me a couple steps just on this one part. So I'm going to whole circle everything. Now, if I mark all these intersecting points, this is 1, 3, this will be 5. This would be 7 on my clock. 9 is already there, and this will be 11. Now, they'll say get a perpendicular bisector of the diameter. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get the perpendicular bisector of this chord, 111, and this one, 57. That's what I'm going to go for. That's going to give me every single thing I need. And then all I'm doing then is just connecting, basically. Here's 1. Here's on 11. Okay, so our arc should actually hit those other points. I gotta go pay attention to my puppy in a minute. Okay, there we go. Now then. Should have a pretty looking little 6-leaf flower in there. Okay. Now what I do is I just connect where the arcs on my circles are actually going to be intersecting each other. That's it. So that's 2. This will be 4. 6, 7. This will be 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Anything after this is, just punching holes through cards. And I just did that with a 16th inch drill bit. I just set the drill bit down on it. and I spun the card around like this. And in 2 turns, it's got my hole. So it's pretty easy to do. So this will give me my Clockface template, and that's going to allow me to make a whole bunch of different types of geometric shapes and angles. I can get everything on this card basically from a 7.5 degree angle up to the entire circle. So sky's the limit with that. You can use your imagination, come up with all kinds of good stuff. Okay, so this is my Clockface template. Hope it helps. This has been Talent with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.